At any given time, there's only one bestseller, and for UnderCover, it happens to be UltraFlex. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Chris from UnderCover. Why is this cover the most popular?
It's become most popular because of the matte finish. Everyone this day and age seems to love the matte finish. You get aluminum panels on the top, bedrug material on the bottom, so it looks nice and finished when you do fold the cover over. The dual action seal, you can open and close the tailgate without having to open and close the last panel. And it comes with an LED light. So whenever you need to, you hit the button, the whole bed illuminates, see what you need to see, get what you need to get, and you're done.
And as it relates to its strength, it's definitely one of the durable
Very
ones.
durable, yes, very durable. Easy install, the functionality is very easy, anyone can do it.
All right, Chris, if you had a long weekend here in the U.S., where would you take one of the trucks?
I actually drove here from Missouri, believe it or not, in a truck here in the Truck Hero booth, and just the drive here was beautiful.
I bet that was such a good time. It's so cool to see these products actually in action. Of course, you can check out all the latest and greatest coming out of Truck Hero and UnderCover at truck-hero.com.